Hey Kentucky, if you're looking for a storm shelter, safe room, anything like that to keep your valuables safe, to keep your family safe, give you that peace of mind during a stressful time, come check this out. Hi, my name's Beth. Welcome to Providence Storm Shelters. So let me show you around the showroom. But first thing before I do, I want to show you this because it's really cool. So we are best of 2022 for steel fabrication. How cool is that? We live, breathe, eat, sleep storm shelters. Come on in, I'll show you around. This here is our 4x4. It'll fit 1 to 2 people comfortably. As the door swings in, vent with a debris guard, so even if your whole house comes down, you still have airflow. Have the debris guard on the door, handles removable, go in, have a seat. This is our 4x5. This one will fit 2 to 4 people comfortably, has a small bench on the side, still has a vent, still has a debris guard. All of the doors swing inward. This here is our standard commercial grade deadbolt. Comes with every room. This one over here is our 4x6. This one will fit 4 to 6 people comfortably. Has an L-shaped bench. Comes in your choice of colors, just like every room. Door still swings in. This one here is our 4x8. It'll fit 6 to 8 people comfortably. Has an L-shaped bench. They're all 6 foot tall. Let me show you over here. This is our 5x8. This one will fit 8 to 10 people comfortably. Has the L-shaped bench. Comes standard on all of them. You have 1 high, 1 low vent. Has a sight window on here. We can put on any door. That way you can see out. Also have our gun racks that we can put in rooms. That way you can store your guns, ammo, stuff like that under the benches, water, anything like that. Has 4 plugs, 4 USB ports. So while you're sitting in here safe from a tornado intruder, you can still charge your stuff. This one here is our 4x6. Same as the other one. The only difference is the door is on the end. Has a small bench in the back. Still swings in. Still removable handle. We're able to customize them to whatever you're needing. So if you need the door on the end, we can put the door on the end. If you need the door on the front, on the left or the right, we can do that. We're not gonna put the door on the roof though. It just doesn't make sense. This here is our workbench shelter. It is 3 foot tall, 3 foot deep, 8 foot long. We can move the door, same with this, anywhere you need to. Keep your family safe, and has the optional wooden top so you can still use it for whatever you need. This one here is our 4 foot by 3 foot by 8 foot workbench shelter. You can use it on like your outdoor patio, kitchen island, bar, whatever you need to use them for. All the doors still swing in. All of the rooms are still built out of 1/4-inch steel plate. All of them are solid to withstand an EF5. Let me show you real quick how we build our shelters and how we're gonna build your shelter. So, all of our shelters are built out of 1/4-inch steel plate. All of them are reinforced on the walls with 4-inch channel. All of the roofs are built out of 1/4-inch steel plate, and they have 6-inch channel on the roof to reinforce the roof. 450 mile-an-hour winds, 100,000 pounds of debris. Nobody's getting in unless you want them in. all the doors swing in. Walk in, shut the door, slide the bolts across. Now you're in there and you're safe. Intruder, tornado, doesn't matter. So bolts back across, open the door, step out, you're good to go. So all of our shelters are anchored down with these little anchors right here. It's a 5/8 Simpson Titan anchor. They'll get between 13 to 20 anchors depending on the size room that you get. They have a 40,000 pound tensile strength, 15,000 pound shear strength. It's not going anywhere. All of our shelters range between 1,800 to 5,000 pounds by themselves. So not only are they heavy, but they're also anchored down into the concrete and they're not moving unless we come out and move them again for you. So all of our shelters, like I said, they're all EF5 rated and they're all able to withstand tornadoes, intruders, women with a hammer. I want to show you something else really quick. So this here is the 1/4" steel plate that we use on all of our rooms. As you can see, we've shot it with a 45 and it barely made a dent, just chipped the paint. So that means that your family is safe inside of our shelters, whether it be from a tornado or an intruder or even your crazy ex that's trying to get at you. Either way, you're still safe inside. Go in, shut the door, slide the bolts across. Nobody's getting in unless you want them in. I appreciate you stopping by. And if you have any more questions, go to our website at www.providentstormshelters.com. Go to our YouTube channel, Providence Storm Shelters. If you still have any more questions after going through the Q&A, go ahead and give me a call. I will answer just about any question you have. And if I don't know the answer, then my husband Justin does. Your family safety is more important than anything. Your family's peace of mind is more important than anything. House can be replaced, your family can't. Thank you for stopping by.